This gun is representative of a Charlottesville, PA flintlock bench gun. The gun itself was made 1958, 45 caliber, and it's meant to be shot off a bench at distances from 50 to 100 to 200 yards. It's capable of minute angle accuracy and has old style Vaver peep sights on it. The front peep sight is a Redfield Olympic. Again, it's 45 caliber. The charge on it, 80 grains of black powder, 3F. Huh?
Oh, tell them the false muzzle here.
Yeah, it has a false muzzle on it.
And that is for?
And that's just for loading and cleaning. The muzzle's removed when the gun is fired. Okay, that